Alarm. A. L. A. R. M.
Alarm!
Alarm. An alarm is a loud sound that tells you to do something, like move over for a fire truck or wake up to go to school. Artistic. A. R. T. I. S. T. I. C.
Artistic!
Artistic. When you're being artistic, you're using your imagination to create art. Beautiful. B. E. A. U. T. I. F.
You.
U. L.
Beautiful!
Beautiful. Something that's beautiful is very pleasing in the way it looks, sounds, or makes you feel. Belch. B. E. L. C. H.
BELCH!
Belch is another word for burp. Bellow. B. E. L. L. O. W.
BELLOW!
Bellow. To bellow is to yell in a deep voice. Between. B. E. T. W. E. E. N.
Between!
Between. Something is between when it is in the middle of two other things. Blend. B. L E N D.
Blend.
To blend is to put things together and mix them all up. Bounce. B O U N C E.
Bounce.
Bounce. When things bounce, they spring back quickly after hitting something. A ball can bounce off the floor, the wall, or even the ceiling. Camouflage. C A M O U F L A G E.
Camouflage.
Camouflage. When you camouflage something, you make it look like the things around it, so it is difficult to see. Celebrate.